Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, we are going to show you how you can save money on eBay shipping. For example, instead of buying an order for $30 and paying like $50, which is way more than the order price for the shipping, you could save a little more. So let me show you that. First of all, here we have this page that it is not working, unfortunately, which is normally an article from eBay, as you can see right here, but it is not working. So we are going to show you exactly. Oh, it worked now, weirdly. So here, like this is like an article by the community, but we are going to go back to it later on. Here, I'm going to show you exactly how the shipping works first. So I'm going to buy, for example, sneakers, and let's go with buy it now instead of auction. I would like to have only stuff that I would be able to buy. And first thing, as you notice, when you go through products, here there is random things, but for you, you will be looking for something specific. When you are looking for something specific, you will be finding a lot of products with free shipping in here. This is something that you need to go for because free shipping means you will not be paying anything for the shipping. This is very important to note. Here also there is free shipping. On the other hand, for example, here there is 600 shipping here, $8 shipping here, uh, $10 here. So this is something to take in consideration before you get to actually open the product page and view it and see all the details about it, about the reviews, etc. In case, of course, you were on a budget and you didn't want to pay anything more than the product price itself. Of course, these ones may have been adding the products or the price of shipping to the product, so they are hiding it. But overall, this is a way to actually secure it. And yeah, guys, this is how you can pay less on shipping. Of course, you can compare other prices of shipping throughout here. For example, this one is 8, this one is 10, so this one is much cheaper, and so go on. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.